So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this one very easy but yet so delicious Korean egg soak in soy sauce. Did I get that right? I'm so tired. So this is the one dish that is always in my fridge and it is my go-to on a busy day. So let's take it out because I am hungry. We're gonna start off making the sauce and I'm gonna use a small rice bowl to measure. You're gonna need about 1 small bowl of rice vinegar. And for soy sauce, I'm gonna use about 1/4 of a bowl. And honestly, this is not the soy sauce that I prefer. I ran out, so you see me pouring this, but I'm going to show you which soy sauce I prefer to use to make this dish. So this is the soy sauce that I like to use for cooking and stir frying. And I'm gonna use a little bit less than half a bowl of sugar. Now you're going to need some green onions and some purple onions. I'm out of the purple onions, so we're going to use white onions instead. When cutting onions, you want to split them in half and rinse the onions. Rinse your knife, and I heard that if there's like buckets of water around that, it would really help with the burning of the eyes. So I really hate cutting onions. I would do whatever precaution it takes. And so as you can see, I have lots of water around. And all these little hacks really makes cutting onion less painful. My favorite onion to use for this dish is the organic sweet onions. This is optional, but if you like spicy, you can add some Thai chili. Look at how beautiful and delicious this sauce look. You're almost done. All you have to do is add the eggs and some water. Now, cooking the eggs to the right temperature can be a little tricky because you want it somewhat soft on the inside but firm enough on the outside so you can peel. That is like the most challenging part for me. And so what you want to do is you want to preheat the stove. Make sure it's nice and hot. Put your eggs in a pot and pour water in, and when the stove is nice and hot, you want to put your eggs on the stove and time it for exactly 8.5 minutes. Once you take it off the stove, you want to let it sit for 1 minute. And then after that, you want to soak it in ice for exactly 1 minute. I use 7 eggs and you want to pour water to cover over the eggs. So make sure that everything is soaked in. And we're just going to finish off with some black pepper and that's it. A lot of people like to put sesame seeds in here, but I personally cannot eat sesame seeds, so I leave that out. Put a lid over it and I let it sit overnight, but it's actually good to enjoy after 5 hours. This is one of my favorite side dish. I paired this with my meat, fish. You can fry an egg and put this egg on the side if you like egg as much as I do. I love this pickled onions, so I use a lot. But if you like onions, you're going to love this. It's so delicious. I could not wait. So I think it was around 4 or 5 a.m. when I woke up and raided the fridge to have some of these eggs. But it was so satisfying. Thank you so much for watching. And I want to thank my teacher, Kim Shanner, for sharing this recipe with me. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys in the next video.